Branches of digital marketing, that is very important. Once you come to know what is digital marketing, your next question will be the branches of digital marketing. So there are many branches, but let me point out some six most popular branches of digital marketing. One such as SEM, search engine marketing, which includes PPC primarily, known as pay per click, when you must have seen different ads being running over the search, that is SEM. Let me show you as well. Let me open the new tab because it has a lot of windows open already. So I mean new window. Okay. So for instance, if I open the Google and if I search a term, for instance, web hosting is a very popular term, and you must be seeing these ads on the first three numbers. For instance, the ad is a HostGator, Green Geeks, Get Flywheel. These three are results from PPC, search engine marketing, and the other terminology which I show, which was in the slides, were SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization is a process through which you can rank your website on different keywords organically or using by the algorithm or strategies being provided by Google search engine on how does it rank different websites. So there are cons and pros for both SEO and SEM. We'll discuss on a different way. But the thing is, with the SEO you takes time, but with SEM you can come up as soon as 24 hours. But with SEM you are being charged for every click which happens on your ad. But with SEO, once you are get ranked, you get a free traffic. Also, you have to pay to get ranked by buying links, by hiring awesome staff. You need to work with your content. So there are a lot of factors. But once you go through these SEM, you will see these websites, and these websites are being ranked through the process of SEO, search engine optimization. Well, the Google calls it as a search engine optimizers. So but the terminology is search engine optimization. So that is how you can get your website in Google search. And the third branch is email marketing. Email marketing is very famous. I think all of you knows very well about email marketing. There are different companies who do regular email marketing to make their customers as well as consumers remember about their products. They often send deals and different messages through which they can you maintain the relationship with you, so that ultimately whenever you need their product, their brand comes in your mind as a on top of the mind thing. The other branch of digital marketing is content marketing. Content marketing is again another very good marketing. Content marketing is marketing through the words. For instance, a salesman pitches through his voice, his communication skills, but with the content marketing, you market your product or service through the words written in the article. Sometimes you explain the product and then sell the product. Sometimes you educate the customer with the product benefits, or you mention tutorials and then sell the product. Sometimes your article writing is so great that while writing it, you are selling so many things and the customer even don't know or how he got convinced to buy different things. That is the content marketing. Content marketing is, in other words, is marketing through done by content. Content can be any form. It can be a text form. It can be the YouTube videos. So it can be the images as well. So it's up to you. How do you market through content? The other marketing is social media marketing. Social media marketing is done through the social media channels such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, the social media network, Pinterest. The social media networks are too much. It's hard to remember all of them all the time. But the market is huge, and if you market through them, that will be known as social media marketing. Now the thing is, like your Facebook ads, through which you can market on Facebook as well as Instagram, actually comes in the social media marketing. And the next is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process through which you promote a specific product or someone. Now with the internet advancement, even the world has been changed to the recurring model, where a customer is being charged every month. So once you get a sale, there are certain affiliate programs through which you can get monthly sales as well on each affiliate sale. But there are a lot of products which are a one-time cost, and still you get paid. There is a link being inserted in the URL, and when a customer or a visitor opens that link, a cookie is being saved on his website. So whenever he makes a purchase, you get credited for that commission. and that is how affiliate marketing works. It's another branch. So this was my introduction on different branches of digital marketing. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.